Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Let's talk watches. And today I'm back with another beautiful automatic watch by an Indian brand, Franklord. This is my second video in this Indian watches series. In my first video I covered another lovely automatic dress watch, Argos Olympus by the brand Argos. You can go and check out that video as well if you're really interested in growing Indian watch brands. Now let's move forward with this unboxing. Franklord is a growing Indian micro brand, and the way they are making their way in Indian watch market is quite impressive. Few months back I was searching for an affordable open heart watch, and that's how I came across this brand Franklord. I ordered the watch the moment I saw it on Franklord's official website, but later I realized that it was a limited edition watch. I think I got a little lucky there. The brand launched this limited edition watch under the name Regal Sapphire Open Heart, and I'm really proud to say that I have this watch in my collection. Let's begin with this very special unboxing and review. So this is the box I received from the brand, and we can see the logo and the branding here on the top of the box. So this is a cardboard box, and I personally like this logo. Looks like a crown, and inside this cardboard box we have a beautiful wooden red box, and you can see the branding here as well on the top and at the back, so that if you put the box like this you can see the branding from the behind as well. Smart thinking. Now let's open this wooden box. So the box open this much only, and we have a cloth here in this box. Good, it's a good quality cloth, that's good. So now it's time for the watch. Friends, it's an open heart automatic watch. Let's have a closer look on this dial. So here we have white hour markers with golden borders. At 9 o'clock we have this beautiful loon shaped see-through, and because of this see-through only it's called an open heart watch. You can see the balancing wheel or the heart of this watch, and this loon shaped see-through is topped by a 24-hour chrono, beautifully placed. I personally loved this color contrast of blue and golden. Yep, looks really amazing. And if you pay attention, you can see how beautifully this golden circle around the hand center point is merging with the borders of the chrono and the loon. The black text featuring automatic 24 jewels looks just classy. I hope you have noticed that these strips on the dial are actual strips and they are not printed. Even if you look at the hour markers, they are embossed, not printed. And we have this white printed chapter ring complementing the dial. That is again looks beautiful. We have the brand name printed at 3 o'clock. So overall it's a very beautiful dial, and 10 out of 10 for the design. Moving on, let's discuss the specifications of this watch. The case diameter is 44 mm, dial diameter is 38.4 mm, lug width is 22 mm, lug to lug it's 52 mm, case thickness is 12 mm, and it weighs around 90 gram. The case is made of stainless steel. The strap is a genuine leather strap, and blue strap complements the blue dial, and it's a butterfly strap, so good quality. The watch runs on a 24-12 Seiko NH39 automatic movement. It has a power reserve of 40 to 42 hours approximately. It's a sapphire crystal, 50 meter water resistant. The watch comes with a hacking feature, means the second hand stops as soon as you pull out the crown. Now if we look at the back of this case, we have the brand name mentioned with logo on both sides. Then it says all stainless steel. Then it has 5 ATM water resistant, that means 50 meter of water resistant. It's a limited edition as it says at the back, and we have the model number F555. You can see it's a transparent back, so you can see the movement of this watch. And we have a router here which rotates as we move our hand and generates power, so it basically winds itself, and it happens in all the automatic watches. So if you're wearing it on daily basis, you don't have to wind it every day. Now let me reveal something special about this watch. When I came across this watch, at first glance the dial reminded me of Seiko Presage. I mean, it's not exactly same as Seiko Presage, but you can see the side-by-side comparison of these two watches, and at least for the see-through and chrono, we can agree that it is highly inspired from Seiko Prestige. And truly, I don't see any issues there. Taking inspiration from established brand, nothing wrong in it. I mean, unless you kind of make an exact replica or a copy of that watch, then it becomes a problem. Otherwise, it's completely fine. And we can see there's a lot of differences there. And truly, we can't ignore the most important factor, the price of these two watches. Let me just show you the price of Seiko Prestige here, and it's around 55,000 Indian rupees. However, Franklord is offering the same style with good quality under 10k in India, and that's truly amazing. I mean, a big thanks to Franklord and team. Now let's try it on, and this time I will not say how it's looking, but I will leave it to your judgment to tell me in the comments, how do you feel about this? Does it look good? Bad, okay? I mean, whatever you feel about this watch, you can put that in comments. So friends, if you think it's a good watch, if you want to buy this, you can go and check out Franklord's official website. However, you may not find this particular model because it was a limited edition watch, and you can check out some other amazing watches there on their website. Well, that's it in today's review, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to learn more about watches, or if you love the content made on watches, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.
Tick, 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 no time to waste.